And I've seen that here there are excellent opportunities for Italian producers to find a collaboration with local manufacturers. We are seeking for finding production partners that can co-produce our IPs with us, or we can co-produce local IPs, and we are looking for producers that can bring live our IPs. I think Chinese production companies are very strong, and there is a lot of young, very great artists, very great animators and directors, and with the collaboration with Italy, we think that our projects can become even more international.